In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a virtual table using the Calculate Table function in Power BI. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or just starting your journey into data visualization, understanding how to manipulate and transform your data effectively is crucial. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to create a virtual table. First, we'll start by opening Power BI. If you haven't already, launch the application on your computer and ensure you have the necessary data files you intend to work with accessible. Power BI opens up a world of possibilities by allowing us to visualize and analyze data efficiently, so make sure you're familiar with its basic interface and features. Once you're up and running in Power BI, it's time to prepare your data. Preparing your data ensures that you have all the necessary fields you need for analysis. Check your datasets for any inconsistencies or missing information and clean up any discrepancies. This preparation phase can be as simple as a quick review or more complex, involving data transformations, depending on your data's current state. Remember, well-prepared data is the backbone of insightful analytics. Next, go to the Modeling tab in Power BI, which you can find at the top of the window. Click on it, and a new set of options should appear below it. From there, you'll select the New Table option. This is where we will create our virtual table using the DAX language, a powerful formula language that allows for deep data analysis. Now that we've reached this step, we'll use the efficient Calculate Table function. This function is incredibly powerful as it allows you to return a table that's been modified by specific filters and conditions you define. It's like telling Power BI to show you exactly what you want to see under certain circumstances, which can be incredibly useful for dynamic reporting. In the formula bar that appears when you create a new table, you'll type in your Calculate Table expression. This is where you define the table you want to create and the filters you want to apply. For example, you might set conditions based on date ranges, specific sales figures, or any other conditions relevant to your business scenario. Make sure to carefully type out your expression to avoid any errors. Pay attention to syntax, as incorrect formulas can lead to unexpected results. Once you've input your formula, hit enter and Power BI will generate your virtual table. You can now integrate this table into your reports, allowing for dynamic analysis and visualization. Experiment with different filters and see how they affect your data outputs. And soon you'll master creating insightful custom reports. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to build a virtual table using Calculate Table in Power BI. This function will significantly enhance your ability to analyze and visualize data, providing valuable insights tailored to your specific needs. Thank you for joining me today, and happy data modeling!